basically what we do is we do some internal struts inside the rail. So we brace inside the rail where the crush points are for where the bolts go through, and for torsional twist as well. So we brace all that through the top, and then we do a gusseting brace that gussets between the repaired section and the original steel. And we do a series of plug welds in that, and then plug weld all those welds up, grind them nice and smooth, paint them with some undercoat, and then, which is a zinc proof undercoat, and then we paint it with a sound deadener. As you can see here, we're doing the plug welds. So once the plug welds are done, next step is to grind all the welds down and make them flush. So now that we've ground the welds down, now we're going to sound deaden the area and allow that to dry, and then reassemble the front end. Once the front end's assembled, then we're going to fish-align all the inside of the rail where we can't get to. This is a typical problem with Valiants. They tend to rust in this area, and this is the only real proper way of repairing it, and so you don't have to stress about any issues.
Okay.